Alright, this is our assignment 3, and in it, the first part, we're supposed to come up with a string that's at least 80 characters long, and then be able to break that into 2 separate packets and send that. So if we go into our simulation 1 and go ahead and run it, we're able to come up with like just a generic message to send that's at least 80 characters, and then uses UDT send to send that message over to the second address, the host with address 2. And we had to update UDT send to break that message into multiple packets. We made it so that it was adjustable based on whatever value you passed into the MTU. So if it was 50, you would adjust it to 50. If it was 30, you would adjust it down. In this case, we were only dealing with 50, so it didn't really matter. In the second part, we had to change the MTU of the second link to 30, and then extend the network layer to support segmentation. We were able to do that. If we go into simulation 2, we can go ahead and run that. We can look at our second link. It has MTU 30. In network 2, we had to implement network packet segmentation. We had to add a couple fields to each packet, which kind of made us have to adjust the sizing of everything. We added the sequence number field, which is like the way to identify each packet, and then the flags field, which is just the TCP flag. And that passes in and is updated, and then in UDT send, we were able to change it so that those additional fields don't affect the data that is sent at all, or corrupt anything, or send the wrong stuff. In simulation 3, we had to add a whole bunch of links and a whole bunch of routers. We can go ahead and run simulation 3. We had to implement this little network topology here. We were able to do that, and in our router class inside of network, we just kind of implemented a very basic routing table that is able to route traffic efficiently from one host to the other. So host 2 is able to reach host 4 by connecting to router A, C, and then D. And host 1 is able to connect to host 3 through A, B, and then D.